Hey Ruby, how's it going over there with Roof Repair Las Vegas? This is Terrence reaching out to you with High Road SEO. And like I was telling you, I was doing some research on your site and just wanted to send over these three quick tips you can start using today to start outranking your competition. Okay. I don't like to waste anyone's time. So if by the end of this short video, Ruby, you feel that the information that I've shared can help increase traffic to you guys' site and help your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information as you see fit. And all I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of the video if you wouldn't mind. Okay? So, going to be talking about three quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content's any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind the pictures, and even what the pictures are saved as is included in the content. Okay? So any pictures that we have saved on our site, we definitely want to make sure that they're saved under keywords that our customers are actually searching for on Google. Okay? Very important. Also, want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. Okay? And I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to be able to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases that we need so we can start ranking on these top pages. Okay, if we don't have the content, there's absolutely no way that we can be able to rank on Google. Also, you definitely want to make sure that your site is secure. No way you're going to be on the top pages if you don't have a secure site as well. Okay, very important stuff. All right, so that's content. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. Okay, so for an example, Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us to be able to rank in what's called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords that our customers are searching. So obviously the top three businesses in these positions will have increased traffic to their site. Now, how do we get here? We have a tool so we can see exactly how many citations we have as opposed to our competition. So the name of the game is coming in and not only matching what our competition is doing, obviously, but we want to get more citations than our competition. We want to make sure that our Google My Business listing here is optimized correctly so we can begin to start outranking our competition and taking this traffic. Okay? Now, that is citations. Now, backlinks is the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. And a backlink essentially is another website that is linking back to our website. And what this does is gives us relevance, power, authority in Google's eyes, so we can begin to start ranking on these top positions. Okay. Now we also have a tool to see how we're stacked up to our competition here as well. So we plug in our information here in a system we use called Ahrefs. We can see that we have 26 backlinks coming to our site, 12 referring domains. We're being found for 43 keywords, and this is bringing us one organic visitor to our site every single month. Okay. Now we look at one of the top competitors in the area, Precision Roofing. They have about 1,500 backlinks, 429 referring domains. They're being found for about 5,500 keywords, and this is bringing them 4,000 organic visitors to their site every single month with zero ads. Okay. Now, the beauty about this tool, we can come in and see exactly what referring domains our competition are getting their backlinks from. So just like with the citations, we can come in and just match exactly what our competition is doing here and then get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks coming to our site so we can begin to start outranking them and taking the traffic. And I have to ask you guys, I mean, right now, if you had over 4,000 organic visitors coming to your site every single month, what do you think that would do for your business? Okay. So with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up the opportunity of what's available. And if you feel that me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat. I'll leave my information in the description, but it's 323-675-7483. Hope you have a great rest of your day and speak to you soon.